Chapter 4 of The Hobbit, titled Over Hill and Under Hill, commences as Bilbo, Gandalf, and the dwarves embark on a path through the mountains, as suggested by Elrond. Even though Bilbo longs for the comforts of home, the dwarves remain hopeful about reaching the lonely mountain before Durin's Day. However, Gandalf remains doubtful due to the immense risks and hostile entities in their current locale. An unexpected twist comes when a thunderstorm caused by stone giants assails them, forcing the group to seek refuge in a cave. Bilbo is awakened from his sleep by a nightmare of a crack forming at the back of the cave, which turns out to be real. This is followed by the unsettling disappearance of their ponies and the invasion of goblins. When the goblins attempt to catch Gandalf, he retaliates by obliterating a few with a lightning-like burst before disappearing abruptly. The goblins lash out, forcing Bilbo and the dwarves towards the Great Goblin's cavern. Along the way, they see their ponies, destined to become the goblins' meal. The party's encounter with the Great Goblin is intense and adversarial, with accusations of espionage, theft, and murder thrown at the dwarves. The discovery of Thorin's elvish sword, Orcrist, known to the goblins as Biter, due to its history in goblin battles, further aggravates the situation. In an immediate act of retribution, the Great Goblin commands the party's execution. Suddenly, the lights go out and the once-lost sword, Glamdring, also known as Foehammer or Beater, appears mysteriously, slaying the Great Goblin. The legendary wizard Gandalf reappears, guiding the dwarves and Bilbo out of the ominous cavern as they are pursued by goblins. The chase concludes with Thorin and Gandalf striking down some of the goblins, whilst the rest of the group descend deeper into the goblin tunnels. The chapter ends with a sudden attack on Dori, who is carrying Bilbo. Caught off guard, Dori falls, causing Bilbo to knock his head on a rock and faint.